Hi, I'm Tony Hedger from LaCole Culinary in St. Louis, Missouri. What we're going to do today is we have a beef stew rolling. What we're going to do is we're going to reduce the acid from a tomato product that we added. Okay, so we already added that tomato product in. We have our beef stew rolling. We've tasted it. We have a little bit of acid flavor to it. Okay, one quick way to really knock down that acid is sugar. However, we do have a savory item here. You don't want to just start dumping sugar in. So, take a little pinch at each time. Each time you do that, stir it around, and then take a taste. If you still have that acid in there, grab another pinch, get it in there, stir. It may take you several pinches to get that acid flavor gone, but you don't want to taste that sweetness of the sugar. Okay? Tomatoes are naturally acidity, so you got to make sure that you knock that down a little bit. If add tomato product to a beef stew, you can add a little bit of sugar at the point where you do that. My name is Chef Tony Hedger from LaCole Culinary in St. Louis, Missouri. Thank you.